Folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader, the resource for traders with day jobs. Today is Wednesday, January the 23rd, 2013. Folks, tonight's focus stock on our best stocks list is Skull Candy. I did a video on January the 19th. It's on my blog if you want to check it out. It's under Best Stock Picks, January 19th, 2013. Just go to the website and check it out, thecontrariantrader.com. I want to follow up on Skull Candy just to go over why our thesis for why Skull Candy is going to rally is still strong, and it's gotten stronger since the 19th. What you're looking at right now is a weekly chart. We always want to take a look at the weekly chart to get a feel for where the stock stands on a macro basis. Daily charts can sometimes be a little bit too volatile for a stock that's broken down this badly. And what we like about the weekly chart is that you have a nice consolidation phase here. 4 weeks of bottoming tails on the candlesticks. This implies that you have buyers down here. Always very good. You know where to put your stop loss order, just below that level. MACD, looking okay. Could be a little bit better, could be a little bit more mature, but it's looking okay. More importantly, and the reason why I made this video tonight is that the daily chart really shaped up some. I liked the way the stock closed. It doesn't matter how the stock trades during the daytime. What really matters, and this is what I tell my members, is how the stock closes. That is so important. So what prompted me to do this video tonight? A few things. One is when you take a look at the price action. Price action is by far the #1 metric you want to use when you're determining whether or not you want to buy a stock. And what you saw today was a bullish engulfing of Tuesday's move, which means that today's price action, being Wednesday, completely engulfed Tuesday's price action. Very, very bullish. You do have a bit of a topping tail due to the fact that you have $7 per share, which has acted as resistance. I told members in an alert this evening that I would like to have seen the stock close above the $7 per share level. It did tick up a penny after hours. Still, it didn't close above the $7 per share level. I would like to see that occur before we became aggressive on the stock. Chart pattern. What you're seeing set up here is a double bottom formation. Sometimes I'll refer to it as a W formation. This is your left side of the W, your center, your pullback, and what you're looking for now is a breakout above this pivot point here. And the next stop would be the 50-day moving average, which is still declining at the $7.87 per share level. The RSI looking really, really good. Nice cup with handle formation. Nice. You have this deeply oversold condition. Rallied a little bit. Pulled back. Did not make lower lows. Held above 30. And so you can see today we spiked up to close above the declining downtrend line. I didn't draw the trend line. I'm just so used to analyzing and seeing them so quickly, I don't even draw trend lines sometimes. But I can guarantee if you draw a trend line from here to here, we closed above that trend line most definitely. Why else do we like Skull Candy? Well, we always want to go into a trade knowing what a catalyst or catalysts may be. And in the case of Skull Candy, you have catalysts plural. You could see that you have short interest in the stock of 37.3% of the float. Total shares short, just above 6 million shares. 3-month average daily volume, 720,000 shares. So you can see from a short squeeze perspective that you have a setup here for a multi-day short covering rally, which is very, very good for us as long. From a fundamental perspective, you have excellent quarterly earnings growth, excellent revenue growth. It's a cheap stock, earning a lot of money, return on equity of 24%. What more can you ask for? I don't know why the stock is so beaten down. So we like Skull Candy, and I will be sending out alerts to members if and when we do add to this position. And that's it, folks. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please click the subscribe button below the video and leave a comment. I'll definitely get back to you with whatever comment that you leave, as long as it's courteous and you're courteous to other folks. Also, if you're watching this on my blog, please like us on Facebook. We have a like button just above the video. And if you're interested in checking out our additional commentary that I'll be sending out this evening to members on what our strategy is going to be for our trade of Skull Candy, well then take advantage of our 7-day free trial offer, no credit card required. If you do like the service, you decide you want to become a paying member, well then you get another 7 days free for a total of 14 days free to the contrarian trader to decide whether or not the service is for you. Folks, have a great trading week. Remember to use those stop loss orders. And members, I will be sending out nightly commentary in a little while. Good night, folks.